these are the ingredients that we use.
So this is the ingredients. It's there is salmon slice, burner, crab stick, seaweed, cheese, soy sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, mayonnaise, and mozzarella.
Before making salmon mentai, wash your hands.
Mix the rice with seaweed nori and stir until evenly distributed.
And then, dip the salmon slice into salty soy sauce. After that, roast the salmon slice.
Mix the mayonnaise with tomato sauce and chili sauce and stir it.
Put the mixed rice into the alumunium foil and don't forget to put the salmon slice, crab stick, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese on top of the rice. And give the mayonnaise again on top of all those ingredients.
After that, burn it with a burner. Okay then, salmon mentai ready to serve.